Hello, so today we are going to be painting this doll here. We have one paintbrush and 3 paints. First, I'm going to start by painting the face. I'll use yellow to paint the hair. Try and stay away from the face. After you've done the top bit, go into the bottom bit. You can move your face around if it's hard to do one spot. Be very careful when it's around your face. Then turn it around and paint the other side yellow. It's okay if you go in the sides. You don't need to paint the bottom part. After it's done, flip it around and paint the areas that are blank. Next, take a different color and do the lips. Then take a different color and do the eyes. Bye.